Hello, I'm Emily and I'm going to show you how to make deliciously tangy lemon or lime curd. Start by peeling 2 lemons or limes. Use a sharp knife to remove the peel, trying to take off only the skin and leave behind the bitter white pith. Squeeze the lemons or limes and save the juice. Throw away what's left of the fruit. Separate 6 egg yolks from the egg whites by cracking each egg and passing the yolk back and forth between the 2 halves of the eggshell, letting the egg white drip into a bowl until only the yolk is left in the shell. Place the egg yolks in a saucepan with 3/4 cup of sugar. Whisk them together for 1 minute until they look pale and creamy. Add the lemon or lime peel and the juice and whisk together. Then place the saucepan over medium-low heat and cook gently for 10 minutes, stirring or whisking the whole time. You'll notice the liquid getting thicker, but not as thick as you would expect. It will get much thicker when it cools. Just cook it until the liquid coats the back of a spoon, or if you have a thermometer, you can measure the temperature and it will be ready when it gets to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour it into a bowl through a sieve to remove the lemon or lime peels. Add half a cup of butter and stir until it melts into the curd. Place cling film or saran wrap over the bowl, pressing it down to touch the surface of the curd. This prevents a skin forming on the curd. Refrigerate the curd for at least an hour until it thickens, or until serving. Use it within 1 week. You can do so many things with this curd. Try my key lime pie cake or my lemon curd watercolor cake. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more cake tutorials every week.